Hello, this is Mr. Wyrick, and I'm here today to talk to you about the mid-chapter review. I've got the quiz right here that we're going to work on, and then we're going to take a test. It's kind of based on this one. It's just going to be like a little bit shorter. So I'm going to go over some of the things here and where you need to kind of look for those. If you're looking at the first couple there, it's conjectures, it's counterexamples. So conjecture means we're looking at a pattern and we're finding the next step in that pattern. So once you find the next step in that pattern, you make a conjecture. Okay, so if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see the pattern is I'm adding one every time. The conjecture that you would make would be the next step should be 5. The next thing on there, counterexample. If you don't have counterexample already in your notes, or if you've forgotten what it means that you are proving why something is wrong. So if somebody says, well, all girls can fly, you point to somebody and say, well, this person is a girl and they can't fly. So that's a counterexample. The next couple of things on there are from lesson 2.2. It's the compound statements. Don't forget the little rooftop symbol means and, the little V-type symbol means or, and if you have a tilde in front of a statement, that means it's the negation of it. So all boys play football would be a statement. If you say all boys play football and all girls are cheerleaders, that would be a compound statement using and. Say all boys play football or all girls are cheerleaders, that would also be a compound statement using or. That would be the disjunction, where the and would be the conjunction. Okay. You're going to work with the truth table. Make sure you understand what that is, where each one is true or false and what it makes the conjunction or the disjunction there. The hypothesis and conclusion of statements. If you have an if-then statement, the if part is the hypothesis, the then part is the conclusion. Let's see, Venn diagrams. Don't forget on Venn diagrams, they can be separate circles. It can be a circle within a circle, not just the overlapping one that you're used to from your other classes. And of course, what we just got done with on the logic statements and whether you can come to a valid conclusion. The law of detachment, which says if you have A and then B, and then they give you part A for a specific example, then part B is also true for that specific example. Okay, all palm trees grow coconuts. If it's a palm tree, then it grows a coconut. And this is a palm tree, that would mean it does grow coconuts. The last part on there, whether something is always, sometimes, or never true, just use your head. Think through it logically. Check the statement, see if you can come up with any counterexamples. We're building up to the next point. We'll see you for this quiz. We'll play a little review game, and then we will, of course, take that test. Be ready for it. We'll see you then.